Alright, my dudes, so right now I am waiting because someone's gonna come over and someone's gonna check out Lexi. And I don't know if this person's gonna do a trade or wants to pay Lexi in cash. So we're gonna figure out if it's a good deal, bad deal, semi deal, should I do or not do it. We're gonna see if he likes the bike and we're gonna see if I like the car. It's a car. So I don't know, we're gonna figure out what's going on more or less. Hopefully it turns out to be the best for both parties, both persons on the parties. If not, then I don't know what's gonna happen. We're just gonna keep Lexi for a while. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Don't know if I'm gonna record the process because I don't think I want to be on YouTube, or I'll be too busy focusing on the car, checking all the dings and tings and all the bad leaks about all that good stuff. So I don't know if I'll be recording the whole process. And plus it's kind of windy outside, so it's gonna be hard for me to, well, it's gonna be hard for you guys to listen from the wind and stuff. Oh, this is it, boys. Lexi's title's right here, and we are gonna trade it for her. So this will be the last time we're gonna see Lexi in this channel. Get one last look of her, because she's gonna be out of here. We had good times. So she's out. So we're gonna hand over the title to this guy. You guys already signed it? No. No? Oh, he didn't sign it. So you guys haven't seen the car yet, I haven't showed it yet. We're not taking the system. We're not taking that. So that's a bummer. We're not gonna be bumping some tunes. There goes Lexi, boys. Sexy Lexi is out of here. Last time we're gonna see Lexi in the vlog. Oh man, and there's a car that we just swapped. Straight trade. Hardcore Lexi, and then his buddy's following him in the Lexus. Wow, that's dope. Okay, Lexi, be good to the man. Take care of the man. So that's what we got, my boys. We got a Beamer. That's right, we got a big Mexican wiener. We got a big Mexican wiener representing the BMWs. Yeah, I'll probably go more into depth of the video of what is missing. So we swap titles in hand. So a swap, no money whatsoever. We're just gonna go back and we're just gonna go inside and I'll show you guys. So there's some small little problems into this car. So don't think it straight up. So we see that it's kind of damaged. We're missing some stuff here and there that is not, how can you say, complete. So it's like it's a good project car, you can say. Like it's kind of beat up, but still good. What got me like going for it. What got me going for this car, not because it's standard, it's because he says the engine just been swapped out. So the engine's like more or less like 86,000 miles. I know Lexi has some chromatic damage. I had the plastic fairings, and then when he wanted to take off, I didn't want to turn on anymore because like the battery was dying. So I was just like, oh fuck. So hopefully while he's driving it all the way back to his house, the alternator would just like charge the battery. Hopefully that's the case, because it's probably gonna be like a long drive. Lexi, take care of that man. I miss my bike so bad. I miss it right now. I mean, it's a perfect way to go driving, and can't even go driving. So this car, let's go back to this car. It needs some little work. So I was a little cosmetic damage, plastic thingies missing here and there. The engine, he told me that the fan has to be turned on manually. He told me how to do that. Just get that wire and just like give it like a little shock, turn it back on. I have to replace that or fix that somehow, but I can figure it out. Has a nice sunroof, so get some nice fresh air. The system, boys, I know you guys are like, oh, the system. I know Linda has a system. And Linda's system, my truck, you guys seen it. I have a system. That system's kind of like, kind of jiggery, because the guy who installed it for me was kind of like a crackhead. He was on crack. He was like, crack. But anyways, the system, he took it because he wanted $250 for the system. And I was just like, $250 for system? I thought about it when I was test driving this car, and I was like, no, I can't spend that money right now for a system. So that was a no. This car needs a good detailing, nice clean, so I can know what sticks on, what falls off, what needs to be replaced. This is gonna be like a mini project car for me. So I'm gonna be busy for this winter. Hopefully, it's gonna be good. This is actually like a birthday present for me, or a Christmas present, whatever you want to say. I mean, Christmas comes out and then my birthday, but this is like a both win-win. I still miss my bike. I miss my bike so bad. All right, my dudes, let me show you. So this is the engine we're working with, my dudes. He says the engine's brand new. Not brand new, but it's new use. 86,000 miles. You guys can't tell that this has been replaced from wirings popping up and stuff like that. I mean, this is what he was talking about. The fan, you just have to turn it, focus. You just gotta like spark it up. Just like that. Just spark it up so the fan could be working. But that's basically it. That's what he told me that we gotta do. You have all these bungees. I mean, it's holding it down. It's doing its job. It's holding it in place. So this is a nice fixer-upper to do, which is fine with me. You know, like keeps me busy, like I said. And I do need a car, so it came out to be a win-win situation. Sadly, I have no fog lights, so that's probably the next thing I need. Cause here you can't. Cause here people drive with their brights on. I can't see stuff what's going on. But this is it. So I probably gotta park it back in the driveway, and then I'll start taking out some trash. Cause the day's nice, and tomorrow might be ugly. So let's start doing that now. So in the trunk, batteries over here. All this stuff, I have to skim through it, but for sure this is trash. This is trash. McDonald's. All these, I think I'm gonna keep them because I don't know it'll be useful. I don't know if they're replacements. Stuff like this. He has a filter here. I have to like skim through it. Don't know where this is going, but it goes inside the car. We'll figure that out. Yeah. So basically just this and this is trash. For right now, I'm just doing like a little quick sweep. Oil, he let us his oil. That's nice of the dude. We have all these dope. Yeah, we have all these. Okay, so I most likely gotta keep all these because this is kind of like, I don't know where it goes to. Keeping that. What the hell? You got a rock in here, man. That's weird. Swoop Crown Royal. Ooh, love Crown Royal. Damaged. Yeah, it's damaged. Oh, wow. The ashtray. Damaged. Oh, no, we can just cover it up. Out of sight, out of mind. Yep, out of sight, out of mind. I got another part here. Here's a damage right here. Missing piece right here. Alright. Seat's kind of loose. You guys can see. Let's see, there's the plug-in right here. So there we go. Just gotta get a nice slam. This is what we're missing. Cup holders. Yep. I look like they're trying to fix the e-brake. You can see right there. Like it wants to click on, but doesn't want to click on. Okay, I gotta look into that probably the next day with more light. We got more papers down there. Gotta clean that up. Papers down here. What we got in here? Insurance registration, most likely. Yeah, most likely. And then here we have the emblem of the M series. That's pretty dope. Got a little aftermarket radio. Pretty dope. And here it's kind of confusing that they're the same dual. They're the exact same thing. Don't know why. There's probably a reason behind this, but it's a dual. See, dual climate. Just look like this one's newer than this one. Probably because I have the aftermarket radio, so I have to do that. I'm not sure. The dashboard up here, things were intact, no tears. It's all good. Steering wheel, a little rip there. Seats, got a little tear right here. Got more trash in there. That whole piece is missing. Got a little glove box. That's a small little glove box. Alright, that's basically it, more or less, of the 2003 BMW. Yeah, if you guys can see it. Aftermarket rims, pretty nice. This is what I want to show you guys from the body. Like a dent right there. Yeah, look like they hit it. Basically, that's it. Another problem I'm having with the issue is the key. The key right here. If you push the button down, there is no button. So there is no like lock where it goes beep beep. None of that keyless entry and good stuff. These lights work though. If you turn signal on, it turned on. My Audi had that. I love that feature. Small little detail. We traded the R6 Yamaha 2006 for this bad boy, for this BMW 2003. Comment down below if you guys think it was a good trade, bad trade. What's your comments on it? You guys remember that Lexi had cosmetic damage as well, which we had the plastic fairings, but basically this has the exact same thing but interior wise. But this is the Beamer. You guys can see that there's no emblems in the back. We got fixed that. Just a quick review of this car, really quick, mind you. Not a debt review, but yeah, this is it. Like I said, comment down below what do you guys think of this. If you like what I do, subscribe down below. If you guys want to see me build this, well, subscribe as well. Follow me on Instagram at Louis Vlogs. Like my favorite page at Louis Vlogs. I'll see you guys in the next one. So, peace out.